Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wix to Mailchimp, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Wix to Mailchimp, first, log in to your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the website you want to connect. On the left side, click on Marketing and SEO. Then select Email Marketing from the drop-down options. You will see the Mailchimp app. Click on it to begin the integration process. If the Mailchimp app is not visible, you may need to click on More to find it. Once you find the Mailchimp app, click Connect. Next, you will need to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and authorize the connection between Wix and Mailchimp. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected back to the Wix dashboard. Here, you can either create a new Mailchimp list or select an existing one. Choose the Mailchimp list that you want to sync with your Wix site. Once selected, confirm the integration settings. You may need to adjust your sign-up form settings for better integration. To do this, go back to the Email Marketing section in Wix. Here, you can customize how your forms will collect email addresses. Ensure that all necessary fields are included in the sign-up process. Now, go to your website to add the sign-up form. Click on Add from the left sidebar and then select Contact or Forms. Drag and drop the form onto your desired page. In the settings of the form, link it to your Mailchimp list. After setting this up, preview your website to ensure the form appears correctly. If everything looks good, publish your changes. Your Wix website is now successfully connected to Mailchimp. You can start utilizing Mailchimp's features for email marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.